SnipeGoat, baby. Welcome. You know what it is. We're going to dive straight in. Here go another full top-down analysis. Because again, we are now in a new month. And also, we are in a new week. So monthly time frame, we have a new candle print. Weekly time frame, we're in a new week. We have a new candle print. Now let's get to it. As I've been saying, swing to swing, retrace, continuation. Take profit 1, 2, 3, and 4 for this monthly move. Now prices in this continuation phase, we should be looking for bullish price action. We have a new higher high here on the monthly. Now we have new monthly structure here. And in order to know what price is doing right now inside of this monthly price action, scale down to the weekly. It's all about price action and market structure. So here we go. Again, remember, we know what price has done. Swing to swing. This was the retracement. We clocked it. And this was the continuation. We know. I called it. And even now, which I just called. I mean, listen. Listen now. If you follow me, you know what it is. But look, we ain't about to keep saying that. We about to just go ahead and break down this market. So now, price has just gave us a sale here on the weekly with this bearish engulfing here, which just solidified another swing point. So now we got swing to swing. Now price is in the retracement phase. So now you should be looking for bearish price action due to what the market just encountered on the weekly time frame. As you can see, continuation, we got the internal breaker structure, which solidified that this is a continuation and the close of this candle, giving us a new weekly higher high and now a swing point. Price is now retracing. Okay, this the snipe zone for this move. But again, you get a swing to swing, and now what levels is in between these swing points that can cause price to encounter a continuation to the upside. So expansion, corrective price action, continuation, or continuation. You know what I mean? Or continuation. But, based on the price action over the next few weeks, we will determine, where Bitcoin's next fate is. You know what I mean? But again, we're in a retracement phase here on the weekly. So to determine what price is doing here on this weekly time frame in this weekly price action, to determine what price is doing right now, we scale down to the daily. Remember, the daily, we got swing to swing. Price gave this, or given this retracement, and then we just encountered this. I would say morning star. 3 candle pattern, 3 candles. So, created this. So I would say morning star here. And is this the signal for a continuation? You know what I mean? What your question would be upon price printing that. And then, of course, to get that answer, to determine what price is doing here on this daily. You know what I mean? So, but price encounter this, and then what? Price pushed up inside of this candle. So then what? Price was encountering a internal retracement. So you would anticipate price to come up here into the open of this bearish candle, show respect, and get a continuation to the downside. Again, now this was over the weekend. And a lot of times over the weekend, price does things quite messier than normal over the weekend. So me, I just analyze price um, throughout the weekend. I mean, unless it comes into a level that I'm suspecting price to buy or sell from, and at that point I execute. But yeah, so we was looking at this internal retracement. Then over the weekend, uh, price closed above the close, or closed above the open of this bearish candle, which to me signal that it's not really in a uh, internal retracement anymore, but just based on price action, and we're about to get there. Um, just an understanding that the price action that encountered was over the weekend, but still, when we scale down to these lower time frames, we can analyze the price action that the market is encountering at these levels to determine what price is going to do based on what it did coming into these significant levels. So to determine what price is doing right now inside of this daily price action, scale down to the 12-hour. Then, same thing. Now, this was the snipe zone, right? Of this impulsive move here, because once price started giving this internal retracement, I put the Fibonacci on this move to analyze it, and engaging my snipe zone on a level inside of this candle that price could come to encounter a bearish continuation was here. So price came into this level, and as you can see, the type of price action the price is encountering. Now, don't take my word for it. Receipts about to come. You know what I mean? I don't. Y'all know me. I'm fully transparent. But yeah. So we got this price action coming into this level here, this snipe zone, and again, look, another snipe zone. So I got that daily snipe zone, and then it's my 6-hour snipe zone. But just analyzing this 12-hour price action. Excuse me. So analyzing this 12-hour price action, price created this bullish price action, which was a retracement. You get what I'm saying? But look, now we're just gonna do this, right? So I can just go to it and then be able to just, go ahead and go in. So the screenshot, you can see dates don't lie. You feel me? Time don't lie. This is what it was. This is where price was at. I got it zoomed in because there's no just you feel me? Yeah. None of that. You feel me? No games being played. No games being played, man. SnipeGoat. So again, this was the internal retracement inside of that bearish daily candle, right? The start of it. So knowing that price was encountering a bullish retracement on the lower time frame, the hour time frames, right? I will be looking for bullish price action to correlate with the bullish retracement. You know what I'm saying? So, uh, of course, as you can see, impulsive, corrective, impulsive, impulsive. Got the reversal. Once price created this bullish price action here, creating this bullish internal structure, boom, we got the breaker structure, signaling that it's time for the continuation, especially after coming into the snipe zones, the bearish snipe zones, where when price come into this level, you will be looking for price to start selling, right? So swing, swing, retrace, continuation, and as you can see, price is on the go. 12-hour time frame, boom, boom. We got this. You can say tweezer top, however you want to say, bearish engulfing, call it what you will. You know what I mean? But as you can see, retracement trend line got disrespected, coming up, retesting it, and we shall see more downside. You feel me? For sure, for sure. Again, you feel me? I mean, price right there. Feel me? The line right, this line right here was the open of that daily candle, and like I said, price closed above it, so you know, took that off. But there you have it, baby. There you have it. You heard it here first, baby. SnipeGoat, the candle reading guru. Somebody go tell your favorite trader's favorite trader. I'm on the